What's up everyone, welcome to this video. In this video I will show you how to fix people sounding robotic during calls on Galaxy S25 Ultra. So first of all, check the signal strength. So if you are getting 2 bars or less than 2 bars of signals, then it means this is the poor signal strength. So move to a area where you can get the good signal strength. And after fixing the signal issue, if you are still facing the same issue, then open settings. Now in settings, scroll down and here click on general management. Now in general management, scroll down and click on reset, and then scroll down and click on reset all settings. Now here click on reset settings and enter your lock screen pin, password or pattern, and then again click on reset to confirm. So when you will click on reset option here, it will reset all of your mobile settings including phone app settings, but it will not delete any data from your phone. So after doing this, the robotic sound during calls issue will be fixed. So I hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching.